Here's your real estate tip of the day. You want to find discounted vacant land at 10, 20, 30, possibly even 50% off. This is what you do. All of you have access to it. Go to Zillow. Go to Zillow.com. Find vacant land lots that have been listed for 6 months, 5 months, 8 months. Start contacting those owners to see how flexible they are on price or terms or both. Consistently, owners who have their properties listed with an agent end up contacting me in some way, shape, or form, asking me to buy their vacant lots. So contact vacant lot owners on Zillow that have had their properties listed for a long time. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description.